Oh, it started. Oh my god. Oh, oh geez, it started, didn't it? Oh. Oh, I have 4 people waiting. Oh my, I am so sorry. Hello. Good morning. Okay, this didn't go as much as I planned. Hello everyone. Hello. Shoot, I was supposed to start before the Mondo chick appeared, but yeah, streaming things. Main thing for today, I'm going to be getting my Coconut Grandmaster badge. Hopefully. Ooh, look at that, a vicious bee spike. I guess this is a solo takedown for the Mondo, for me. Um, Not that I'll get a good amount by myself, but okay. Yeah, I totally activated that by itself. Oh, wait a minute. I am so dumb. The vicious bee can actually help take down the Mondo chick. Oh, I am big brain. It usually does speed up the Mondo chick, but you know, I'm probably still too late for it. Oh, well, I killed it already, so that's a rip. Am I going to be doing any more streams? In the near future when I get to it. I am starting to stream more, so well, I guess to Coconut Field I go. That is if everything loads though. Ha, look at me, I'm headless. I have no head. And my bees have no faces. Interesting. Okay, let me just get rid of my demon mask and put on my gummy mask. Interesting. That is quite weird what's going on here. Okay, coconut time, I hope, because I'm going to be needing wins. And you, Wind Shrine, have not been very nice to me in the past. We meet again, Wind Shrine. Please, just do me some good. Okay, wait, not yet, not yet. I can't do it yet. Big Pogger stream. Hello, Moo. Yeah, we got a lot of people watching this one. A lot of people. You know what? No, what? No, let's gold egg all the way. I can just buy them with tickets. Coconut, let's go. Coconut. Dice time. The stream will just end. Oh, Coconut. That's all I really need. Just one roll dice. And then the dispenser, and then boom. All set from there. Market. Let's grab the market. Coconut for 13 billion. Yes, yes. Oh, if you're here, then you can share jelly beanies with me. And yeah, I kind of do spam like oh, I really don't wait. That is lag for a stream I'm getting. Oh, really? You're gonna go after the movie? Really? Pollen. Interesting. If this boost does go well, then the stream will just have to finish. Rip. It ended. Oh well, it was worth a shot. Go. Oh my god. I just realized I didn't activate any of my. Oh wow, I'm so done. I didn't use nothing. I didn't use anything during that boost. I didn't even use anything during that boost. I didn't use any of these. I could have made like way more. Yeah, I'm not a pro. I didn't even use a marshmallow bean. I'm so done. Anyway. Mondo! I can't be taking it down alone again. I was getting breakfast. Okay, we got 5 micros from that. Honestly, I'm gonna go server hop. Because I'm gonna at least be needing a couple micros in order to do things properly. And that's my desktop. Yes, that is my glorious looking desktop. It's in Minecraft background, yes. Look at me, I'm invisible! Oh, I think I'm gonna die. My health isn't showing. Invisible tornado, guys. That's a first. Oh, a gummy sprout, are you serious? So, what? 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 I don't want to take the guy's stuff, but like... nah, I'm gonna move on. Nah, that would be kinda mean. That would be kinda mean. No, wait, it seems like he- no, wait. No, wait, do you want it? You want it? No, wait, don't leave. No, Roblox, no. I wanna stay. I wanna stay. This guy probably doesn't want the sprout. He said no! What? No? Oh my god. He said no. Rest in peace. Anyway, I'm just gonna move on. This is going to take 12 years? Oh no, my coconut grandmaster badge is like right there. Haha! You've been fooled. My master badge is almost gone. So, it's probably gonna still take like 12 hours, given if I give wins. If I get wins, then this thing will be finished. And dead. Should I do it though? I'm probably not gonna make a good profit. It's probably gonna suck a lot, but you know, YOLO. I'm never gonna say YOLO ever again, I promise. No way. It's right there. It's right there. Let's go. Just literally millions away. Are you serious? Like if I pop a microconverter, that'll be it. The stream's over. Anyway, yeah, let's get the dabs. Let's get the dabs in. This is gonna be it. In a couple of seconds, this is literally going to just be Grandmaster. I don't even need to try hard anymore. It's too easy. It's right there. Hey, what up, Silver? Yep, you're just in time. Get in, get in. I'm literally about to get it. You're in, right? No, I'm not gonna get it until you come in. You need to be here. And we got Moo in here. Yeah. Oh my god, there's just one more space left. Just one more measly space left. Oh, he's coming. Lol, you were just in bed. Oh, but like, 4 more minutes until the boost is over though. Might not survive, but I will wait. He's here. Oh, I gotta turn on. Everything is good. Everything is fine and dandy. He's here. Let's go. Now, I'm going to use the rest of my 8 seconds of this boost. Oh, your boy is here dancing. Nice. I don't think I just need a... I don't even need a boost. This is it, boys. It's literally it. Bam. What? Okay, what? Is everything right? What the? And the badge is kind of weird looking. Interesting. I think I can click it. Okay. Yeah, I think I can click it. 3, 2, 1. Dab. I did it. I did it. GG's, boys. GG's. And now, time for the pepper patch. No, I'm not for doing that crap. Yeah, let's see. I'm actually done with my farming for today, honestly. How much have I made, actually? 39 billion. Hey, look at me. Number 55. Not bad. Ooh, I actually did not check the all-time yet. 2 trillion. Yeah, I do have a little bit way to go. But I am looking forward to getting on that board. I'm actually looking forward to getting on that board. What's going on here? What? Wait, what the heck? Wait, what? What? Wait, guys, wait. Wait a minute, what? Wait, guys, what's this back area? Guys, are you seeing this? What the heck? What is that? Well, hold up. Oh, I'm so sorry about that, but oh my god, what the? What? This is how you got it the whole time? What? What? So, wait. This is how you got it? Oh my... Bruh. Interesting. Wow, okay. Let me just take that then? Interesting. Do I get out of here? Oh, I do. Wow. That was there the what? I had no idea. Like, I thought there was... Whatever. Just whatever. It's whatever. I absolutely had no idea that was there. Oh wow, yeah guys, I'm not a pro. That just proves it. I had no idea how to get a star. I had no idea how to get that. I'm not pro. I'm a noob. That is visible proof. That was literal proof. I am a noob. I'm sorry, I'm not a pro, guys. Good lord. Well, that was interesting. Yeah, everyone knew except me. Wow.